If you're looking to lose a couple of inches before a big event, or you want a more toned stomach, a DIY body wrap is just the thing you're looking for. Body wraps are usually done at salons, but they will end up costing you hundreds of dollars. The only difference between a salon body wrap and a DIY body wrap? A few $100s, and the fact that someone is doing the wrapping for you. Other than that, salons use the exact same wrap, plastic wrap. So let's get into it, lose a couple of inches and feel great about ourselves. This DIY body wrap burns fat really fast, especially around the abdominal area. The reason why this works is because the plastic that's wrapped around the body squeezes the skin, which in turn will make it sweat. Sweating burns fat, so the longer you leave your wrap on, the more inches you could lose. You'll need freshly grated ginger or even ginger powder will work, body lotion, plastic wrap, a towel, an elastic band. 1. Areas with the wet towel while you prepare the rest of the things. You can do this on your abdominal area, thighs, or arms. Use an elastic band to keep the towel in place. 2. In a small bowl, mix some body lotions with ginger. 3. Massage the mixture onto the desired area. 4. Then, take plastic wrap and wrap the lotioned areas fairly tightly. Go around with the plastic wrap several times, about 4 or 5. 5. Leave the wrap on as long as possible, even overnight if you can. The ginger and lotion will help the areas sweat easier and faster, therefore burning fat. After you've removed the wrap, wash off the remaining lotion sweat. You should see an immediate result, but you can repeat the procedure 2-3 times a week.